Hello everyone. It's been a month since Laravel 12 was released. So let's talk about what's new, what's changed, and whether you should upgrade to Laravel 12. Today we'll deep dive into what Laravel 12 brings to the table with our in-house Laravel expert Keyur Mistry.
Hi, excited to be here. Laravel 12 is a solid updates with really cool refined features.
So first things first, what's new in Laravel 12 and what has improved?
Laravel 12 polishes Laravel older versions, and it has been performance, securities, developer compatibilities, and efficiency.
Okay, so it's like Laravel got a performance boost rather than a full makeover.
Exactly, Laravel 12 is smarter and sharper.
Alright, let's talk about speed. Laravel is already pretty fast, so what's changed in that?
Okay, so while talking about improvements, so first thing is query executions, background jobs, memory utilizations. So let's consider all of this bundle will give the improvement of the performance.
So basically, apps load faster and handle data more efficiently.
Yes, Laravel 12 handles the job batching and handle the background processing, which gives the faster load.
Okay, so I heard middleware got a cool update. So what's that?
Yes, in middleware, it's a dependency injection. So rather just injecting dependency to the controller, it will allowing inject dependency to through the middleware. So it will really cool feature for.
Okay, so it means more cleaner codes.
Yes, exactly. It's more cleaner and developer effective.
Alright, let's nerd out. What's new in Query Builder and Eloquent?
Query execution is better optimized, and macros allows user to reusable logics, and also improved eager loading concepts, so which is reducing the query loads.
Okay, so it means less redundant queries and better performance.
Exactly, that means faster database executions and cachings.
Security is always a priority. So in that front, what's new in Laravel 12?
Laravel 12 enhanced CSRF protections, session securities, and improving the rate limits, less configurations, and good outcomes.
Sounds great for the developers working on APIs and authentication heavy apps.
Absolutely, Laravel 12 makes things easier and safer.
For developers who love testing, what's new in Laravel 12?
Laravel 12 introduced a better support for test case dependencies, making it easier for mock data and test scenarios without redundant app.
So that's the huge win for the developers who write tests regularly.
Yes, writing maintainable, scalable test case are more way effective.
Any small tweaks in routing and Blade?
Yes, Blade now have more shortcuts to make templates less cluttered. Routes have caching capabilities, which makes production load faster.
So it's all about saving time and keeping the code cleaner.
Exactly, little things like this make development faster.
For those who loves using artisan commands, any updates?
Some commands provides better debugging insights, and there's improved automated support for common tasks.
So it has become more developer friendly now.
Yes, you got it.
Okay, time for the big question. Should developers upgrade to Laravel 12?
It depends. If a developer is starting with a new project, then definitely Laravel 12 is a good choice. If developer are on Laravel 11 and they want more secure and middleware and developer friendly features, if you are on Laravel 10 or older, then definitely first of all you need to check all the dependency before upgradations.
Okay, so it's not urgent, but if one updates, then it's worth it.
Absolutely. If you want faster, cleaner, and secure application, then Laravel 12 is a good choice.
Alright, that's a wrap. What do you think of Laravel 12? Have you upgraded yet or you are still waiting? Let us know in the comments.